Today, let's have a little fun in the shop and build something completely pointless.
Hi, and welcome to Yeti at Large. This is a channel focused on making the most out of what you have, no matter where you're at. Thanks for tuning in and helping out.
With all the spring cleaning we've been doing lately, I've been staring at these two empty beer cans for months. I was reminded that I originally had the idea for this project back in 1989 in a college dorm room. Yeah, we drank a little bit of beer back then. My roommate, probably the best chef I've ever met, and I were well known for making a little bit of salsa in the dorm rooms, something you couldn't get away with today. So I have a chance to play with it raining outside, and this is what it looks like when grown-ups play. And I'm going to make an idea that I've had come to life. Now this might seem kind of silly, but there is a little bit of engineering and design involved in this. I figured I wanted to attach the hinges before I cut the can all the way through so that the lid would stay on straight. Easier said than done in that soft aluminum. Might seem a little bit like overkill using the drill, but hey, this is what play looks like when you're a grown-up. The original idea was for these pop rivets to attach the hinges, but no matter what I did, I just couldn't get them to take a bite in that soft aluminum, even using all the washers. All these nuts and bolts came out of the spare bucket of stuff that everybody has in their garage or their shop or their toolbox. So I got plenty to work with. Sitting here working on this, your mind races, and it's nice to have some time to just think about things. We don't spend near as much time playing as grown-ups as we probably should. Yeah, there's studies and productive benefits and all that kind of stuff. I'm a real kinesthetic kind of learner, kind of a combination of all. And being able to do things that engage the left brain and the right brain, I find that very rewarding. I was a chef for so many years, and the product that I manufactured was gone in just a few minutes. And after that, I was a sheriff's deputy for better part of a dozen years. And there's no product other than the residuals left in the experiences of individuals. So to build something tangible, kind of a little artistic, and ridiculously practical, man, that's a whole lot of fun. So I found these screens. You can see I cut a piece to keep the coals off the bottom of the can because I figure coals will burn right through. And I used some snowboard bolts to make a handle. And voila, I got myself a miniature little grill. Here's the other can that I started experimenting on, but I made some mistakes. So there we are. And I had some good coals in the fire pit from the oak tree we cut down last year. So I'm going to get those in there and get them lit, and let's see if this thing works. Yeah, those are taking some heat quickly. Ow, that's hot. Okay, got to redesign the handle. That didn't work like I was hoping. Let's use the tongs to open that thing up. You can see I had to cut the ends off my hot dog. It was too big to fit in the can. And my coals, maybe I got a little too much in there. I was thinking I should have bought some charcoal, but in just a few short minutes, this thing is really cooking up. I can't believe it's split clean open from the heat. After all, it's a half an inch from the source, so case in point, though. Oh my God, this thing is really roasting. That's so epic. So the only downfall to the Foster's beer can grill is that you got to drink the beer before you eat the dog. So next time, I'll get 2 beers. So with that, I'd really encourage you to take some time and go play. Have a little bit of fun as a grown-up. And in the immortal words of Captain Kangaroo, no matter what you do, have a good day.